In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have Klarna appearing as a payment option at checkout, so customers can pay now, later, or in installments, depending on what's available in their region. First, open your WordPress website and sign into your dashboard with an account that has administrator privileges. It's a good idea to make sure WooCommerce is already installed and up to date, since Klarna integrates directly with it. Keeping everything current helps avoid compatibility issues. Next, head to the Plugins section from the left-hand menu. If you're not already on the plugin search page, go to Add New, then use the search bar. Type Klarna for WooCommerce. You're looking for the official Klarna integration for WooCommerce. Check that the plugin is reputable, with solid reviews and frequent updates. This helps ensure you get a secure, supported solution. When you find the correct Klarna plugin, click Install Now. After the installation completes, click Activate. Activation makes the plugin available inside your WooCommerce settings so you can enable it as a payment method. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and it should appear. Now go to WooCommerce in the left-hand menu and click Settings. At the top of the Settings page, select the Payments tab. This shows you the list of payment gateways available on your store. Look for Klarna in the list. You should see a toggle or checkbox to enable it. Turn it on to make Klarna available at checkout. With Klarna enabled, click into its settings or setup link on the same row to configure it. Here you'll connect your Klarna account. Choose whether to use test mode while you verify everything, and customize what customers see at checkout, like the title and description. You can also control which countries and currencies Klarna is available for, and set any thresholds that might apply. Be sure your store's currency, location, and SSL certificate align with Klarna's requirements so payments can process smoothly. When you're done, click Save Changes. That's it. Klarna is now enabled and configured in your WooCommerce store. If you want extra peace of mind, place a small test order in test mode to confirm the checkout flow looks good and the order notes update correctly. With this setup, you'll offer a flexible, trusted payment option that can improve conversions and customer satisfaction.